Here. Get that piece. Sacar a big piece. Put it right in front of the lens. Yeah.
And you're afraid of the camera.
They'll come where the food's at.
With the soup bag.
Okay.
Do you guys have a refrigerator?
Mm-hmm. Mini fish under the TV. There's more here.
I think one guy behind where you guys were sitting, he was playing games, and then his girlfriend or whoever was
Everybody's trying to peek around, and stood up and looked at it.
Because it was like super, super loud. It's like,
Yeah.
doink.
And all of a sudden it started getting really like fast. Like, beep, 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 beep.
Yeah.
And then whenever he was like scoring a level,
It's like,
and,
oh, you're out.
people woke up because of
I
that. Because it
woke
also sounded like the little, like, this alarm, like, ding, like,
Oh.
we're about to tell you something.
At least turn it down or put it on vibrate. Because it was really loud.
At first I thought it was a GPS or something,
I thought it was like,
because it looks square. It was all, no.
I see that big piece. It's kind of close to that weird thing. What is it? I want to make a move for it. Got it! Oh, and you dropped it and then someone was jacked it from you. All that work.
it's like, okay, but I see the other one.
I see another one. Damn it. He's a brave one. Just get her the camera.
Did you guys walk around?
What got here? Well, we checked in.
I think pigeons are the only ones that are capable. Besides, like, there's capable of walking.